Hello everyone, this is Sharon here from 24/7 Techie and we are back with another speed test with the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max and the Redmi Note 9 Pro this time. In this one we are just trying to make a very simple doubt clear. Is Redmi Note 9 Pro Max better than Redmi Note 9 Pro? So first of all what we will do is clear out the background apps, reboot test. Yep. So let's see which one is better. I don't think there should be any difference as both the phones are powered by Snapdragon 720G and both are on Android 10 and MIUI 11. So pretty much identical phones, but Redmi Note 9 Pro Max did boot up a little bit quicker. The Redmi logo did come up faster. Let's see how the entire boot up happens. So Android logo and Redmi Note 9 Pro Max wins by a big margin actually. As we can see, I am already inside the apps and Redmi Note 9 Pro Max is winning in this point of view. The Redmi Note 9 Pro just woke up. So yeah, Redmi Note 9 Pro Max versus the Redmi Note 9 Pro. In reboot test, Pro Max wins. So yeah, we will check the background tasks again. So nothing. And I'll just let you know that it's on full brightness. No auto brightness switched on. We'll turn off Bluetooth on this one. Full brightness. And it's connected to same Wi-Fi. So yeah, if there is any difference in brightness or display quality, you can see it right now. So yeah, let's get started with the apps. DRM info, now it shows L1. We'll go into Netflix. Both of them are pretty much identical. So yeah, and we'll see on the HD support, none of them have HD support. Amazon Prime Video. So I think Redmi Note 9 Pro Max won in that one. The Redmi Note 9 Pro. Yeah, this one. Confusing. So yeah, Redmi Note 9 Pro does have the HD support on Amazon Prime. The Pro Max does not have it yet. Hopefully there is a software update for that. But right now the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max does not have support for Netflix or Amazon Prime. But this one, when it's showing L1, does have Amazon Prime support. Hotstar, same. Play Store, same. YouTube, yeah, I think so, it's same. Twitter, yeah, no difference. Instagram, yeah, I think pretty much same. YouTube Music, same. So yeah, so I think so we will be seeing this trend of apps booting up quickly. A little bit on Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, very slight quick over here, but we will see identical results as both phones are very similar. Okay, Pro Max won in that one as well. Loading up the Chrome page. Facebook, Pro Max, Amazon. Okay, Pro Max. The moment I said that it would be in tie, Pro Max is taking the lead a little bit. PUBG Mobile. Okay, Pro Max has already started. Redmi Note 9 Pro has yet to start. Yep, Pro Max is way ahead. I think it will win. Pro Max also won in the reboot and a couple of apps, so it does looks like it is a clear winner here. It is waiting for the Redmi Note 9 Pro to come and join the squad so that we can have a match. So yeah, Redmi Note 9 Pro is behind. We'll leave it in the memory and let's see for next apps. As you could see just now, the Redmi Note 9 Pro does have some issues, like it just jumped off and a lot of other stuffs. The phone is not 100% software ready. So Snapseed as well. Redmi Note 9 Pro Max jumped in first and then Redmi Note 9 Pro, and it again jumped off to home screen again. Fast speed test. Note 9 Pro a little bit. Speeds are going, oh nice. So Redmi Note 9 Pro Max and Redmi Note 9 Pro have similar speeds. That is good to see, because so far Redmi Note 9 Pro Max was winning in most of the competition. So in this one, it looks like they were having similar speeds. The moment the speed test on this one completed, it took a little bit of lead because the speeds were not divided anymore. Spotify, same, and Microsoft Office, same. We'll go to PUBG Mobile. So Redmi Note 9 Pro Max is winning in this one for sure. I think we did skip Tennis Clash, sorry for that. What I will do is do it now. I think Pro Max is winning in this one. Yep, it looks like it is winning. Yep. Okay, Redmi Note 9 Pro Max is winning in most of the apps. So we'll test out the RAM again. Twitter. And yep, Redmi Note 9 Pro Max is performing much better. YouTube. DRM info. Both are still in background. That's good to see. Netflix. This one was quicker. Prime Video. YouTube Music. Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. So overall, we do have a conclusion that, oh man, Redmi Note 9 Pro, that we do have a conclusion that Redmi Note 9 Pro Max is a winner here. Okay, it went to Redmi Note 9 Pro this time. So Redmi Note 9 Pro Max takes it for us in this one. So as you could see, the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, I'm tired of saying that name, takes us. Redmi Note 9 Pro Max takes it for us, because there were a lot of apps that opened up on this phone much quicker, lot quicker. The reboot was also quicker on this one, and the other thing that we noticed was that the phone is without bugs. So Redmi Note 9 Pro Max is performing much better compared to the Redmi Note 9 Pro. So yeah, overall I am very impressed with the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max in this side-by-side comparison for sure. I would really like to say Xiaomi to fix these so many bugs on the Redmi Note 9 Pro. It's a good device, it's an amazing device for 15,000 anything, but it does have a lot of bugs. So yeah, thank you for watching. Do let me know in the comments below what all content you want to see about these phones. I have a lot of phones right now. I have majorly bought these phones, so I do have a lot of time with the phones as well. So let me know in the comments below which all content you want to watch. I'll try to make them. Please do like and subscribe to the channel. Subscribing to the channel is a little bit of a priority right now. We are trying to grow. We are trying to make a brand over here. Please help us out. And thank you for watching this video, and I really hope to see you in my next video. Till then, see ya. Thank you very much, guys.